Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 invalid destination address issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and then open apps. Now in apps, click on this filter icon and turn on show system apps. After that, scroll down and open SIM toolkit. Now go to the storage of SIM toolkit and clear app data and cache memory of SIM toolkit. After that, go back to apps and open messages. And then go to the storage of messages. Now here, clear the app data and cache memory of messages.